Myntri ketanat Pule putih ke Jylla, urakam Sangma, ulah Pyntip manakal yang Sorkar Pdeng keladap ban Pyllait ke pisah scholarship na kebentagi Samla Pule ke Jylla, batsyan ke Sorkar kan sepelait no yakni ke pisah. Myntri ulah ya thu bakatanat kalayo ban Pdeng ke pisah ke belong sabuwai kelur tam na kebenta ke scholarship ki Samla Pule ke Jylla.
Yes, the first installment has already released for about 37,000 students, and second installment was pending. But fortunately, today we have received the communication from the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India. Today we have received the second installment from the Government of India, Ministry of Tribal Affairs today for post-matric scholarship, and maybe expected maybe next week we will try to disperse to the students, to all my dear students waiting for this. So we are processing idealists, and with due process we will do the needful within next week. Total is 67,000, and 37 has already released about, and minus of 67,000 is the remaining one.
And how much?
So we have received today 41 crore 25 lakhs amount as a second installment, as a center say.
And this is
22, 23.
Scholarship.
So also thanks Honorable Chief Minister, the Minister of Tribal Affairs, and including my dear students who have raised the issue, have waited patiently, and would like to request my dear students to use all this exclusive fund meaningfully, purposefully for their academic purpose. And also would like to appeal to all my dear students, be focused on the academic career, because do not be get distracted. All this, yes, government will try its best to complete the process, and government is shouldering the responsibility seriously. And also I would like to request my dear students to shoulder their own responsibility in carrying their own academic career, and at the end of the day, for the pride and the future of our state.